How you can remove your PAN card from Amazon Pay. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So, let's get started. First, what you will do is open Amazon Pay and go to your profile. And you will see an account option. So, click on that now. Once you select account, you will come to a new window that has different options. And you scroll down until you see Close Your Amazon Account. Then, after that, you will need to know that to remove your PAN card, you have to close your whole Amazon account permanently. And you also need to wait 90 days if you want to use that PAN card again on Amazon. Next, you will select Close Your ID, Amazon account. Then, you will choose a reason why you want to delete the account. So, you pick one that sounds right for you. I will choose, I am not using this account anymore. Once you do that, then you need to agree to close your account and delete your data. So you check the box that says you agree. After that, you click the button that says Close My Account. And now your Amazon account is deleted and your PAN card is removed. And that's it. That's how you can remove PAN card from Amazon Pay.